and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rabiana, and today I have a wig sent from Amazon Unice. They sent over this really pretty red cherry wig unit, you guys. So thank you guys over at Unice for sending over this wig unit. So I'm just showing you guys down below in the left hand corner the inside of the wig packaging, and of course I'm always showing you guys inside of the wig as well, so that you guys could see the actual details of the wig before you purchase. Now, as for the specs of this wig unit, I did get sent over this cherry red wig unit. This is a 7x5 closure, you guys. It does have the whole bye-bye knot situation, so the knots are really small and you do not have to do any bleaching or anything like that. You just really need to tint your lace. As you guys could see, it does have the pre-cut lace, so all you're really doing is fixing up your wig and pretty much applying it straight out the box. So this one didn't come with baby hairs, and I actually didn't use any baby hairs for this wig unit today or any of the styling portion. I really just wanted to keep it how it came straight out of the box, and I actually thought that it came out really good. So this wig unit is also in 24 inches, and it is the loose wave texture, you guys, in 180% density. Now the styling with this wig unit is their face framing bangs, which you guys will see once I pull out those curls. This was a really cute wig. I actually really like the color of it. It's super toned down, and I think I talked about this sort of at the end of this hair video, like my actual true initial thoughts of it. But I really love the color. It's super toned down, very beautiful layers, and the density was really good as well. This was not a thin wig at all. I don't recommend getting 150% density wig units from Unice. I would definitely do the 180 or like 200%, but lately they've been sending over the 180% density, you guys, and I actually really do like it. It's not too thin and it's not too full. So I did have to fix her up just a little bit, put a little bit of heat on this little piece here because it was just kind of not blended in with the rest of the hair. So I did take my hot tool, which is linked in my Amazon storefront, along with all the other products and things that I use in this hair video. This is the T3 micro curler, and it just has like detachables. I use it for all my hair videos, honestly. Love this thing. It's really hot, and that's what I use to like fix up that little piece, but I didn't add any extra heat to this wig unit at all. It's super cute, you guys. It's on Amazon, so you guys know how the shipping goes with that. Love the bangs, and yeah. So also want to talk to you guys about the color. In my opinion, in person, this is way toned down. Of course, with the ring light in front of me, you are going to definitely, your hair is definitely going to come off brighter. In the sun, it's going to come off brighter. But as I was doing this hair video, I was looking at my mirror. As you guys can see, I'm looking off on the side, looking at the hair. I actually really like it, you guys, but it's actually toned down a lot, and I think it's perfect for fall, especially because we're coming up on these fall months, winter months, you guys. Very cute wig and super beginner friendly. This is beautiful. Like, I really like this wig, and I like that it is super toned down and it's really dark. So this is called a cherry red, but you guys, this is more of like a burgundy, deep plum color in my opinion, and the tone gives off more purple than red. So this is really pretty. I would love this in a bang, but I do not want to mess up my hair, which is why I also didn't want to put it in the side part, because I love how it looks. And I have definitely tried out the curtain bangs from Unice already, but I am like really loving the burgundy. Really loving the burgundy. I'll come up closer. You guys can get the color of the hair, the tone of it. No shedding. I love it. I love the volume. I love the layered look up here in the front. They obviously got it right.